All the pregnant women agree that the second trimester is the easiest and least bothersome of all the three trimesters. Week 13 to 27 is called the second trimester. Now let's take a look week by week of your baby development. Week 13. At 13 weeks, tiny bones are starting to form in his arms and legs. He may be able to put his thumb into his mouth soon. Most of his organs are fully formed. The kidneys are starting to produce urine and releases the waste into the amniotic fluid. Week 14. Baby looks more like a little human as the neck has fully developed and the arms are nearly in proportion with the rest of the body. Week 15. Now your baby size is as big as a pear. Some women can feel their baby move as early as 15 weeks, while others don't notice until it's closer to 22 weeks. Your baby's skin remains super thin as you can see the developing blood vessels right through. Week 16. During this week, fetus will be starting to form facial expressions and its nerve system are developing. Now your baby is in the size of an avocado, measuring about 4.6 inches long. Week 17. This week, your baby's skeleton is slowly hardening from rubbery cartilage to a firm bone. The umbilical cord, which carries the nutrients from the placenta, is growing thicker and stronger. Week 18. Your baby's ears are now in their final shape, although they are still standing out from his head a bit. In the lungs, the small tube starts to form. At the end of these tiny tubes, the respiratory sacs begin to appear, which carries the oxygen. Week 19. Baby brain is developing sensory areas like smell, taste, hearing, vision and touch. Baby's arms and legs are in proportion to each other and the rest of the body. Week 20. If you're carrying a girl, your baby uterus is fully formed this week and the vaginal canal is starting to develop. Your little girl also has eggs in tiny ovaries, about 7 million of them. If your fetus is a boy, the testicles are beginning their appearance soon. They are still in the abdomen waiting for the scrotum to finish growing so they can take place in a few weeks. Week 21. Baby eyebrows and the hairs in the head are becoming thicker and visible, and your baby can make facial expressions including mouthing, yawning and sucking. Week 22. At week 22, she is fully proportioned like a newborn, but her baby fat is yet to appear. She'll build up fat in the upcoming months. Week 23. Your baby's skin color is bright red in color, regardless of what color it will be after the birth. Now your baby is becoming more sensitive to sounds. He can able to hear your heart rate or your voice as early as 16 or 17 weeks. But now, these sounds are much more clearer to him. Week 24. Your baby movements may feel little more stronger and kicks becoming more frequent. His muscles are growing and now he has much more muscle tone. Week 25. Now the baby measuring over 9 inches long and weighing more than 1.5 pounds. This week, baby eyelids open for the first time. The lungs and digestive system are formed but not fully developed. Week 26. Your baby's eyes have fully developed and also the eyebrows and eyelashes are formed. Week 27. Your baby tiny lungs, liver and her immune system still have a long way to go to be completely developed, but the baby is steadily gaining weight and fat according to what you eat.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.